Hi, and welcome to Truaire Apartments. My name is John Roos. I'm the manager here, and I'd like to show you apartment 5, which is our next vacancy. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and it's available now. Today's September 8th, 2020, and one could start on September 15th or whenever. So let's take a look. Right this way. We have some beautiful weather today. And we had all that wind last night. In fact, I can still feel a little bit of it right now. Come right in. The camera may adjust for a moment. I love coming into this apartment. It has this wonderful open living space here. And any of the furniture you see can we can remove it, or of course you're welcome to keep it. Throughout the apartment you'll see cordless blinds. So I love this, that you see there's no cord. So that's a great invention. Here, also throughout the apartment, there's window rods on at each window. Okay, so we have that. And let's see, the kitchen here. So there's kind of a breakfast nook here. Comes with a stainless steel table, microwave, actually toaster oven and a blender, refrigerator. And then this one got revamped a little bit, and so there's a nice workspace here, and I really like that. The glass top range, quartz countertop. Ooh, I like that one, that's good. Plenty of strong water. Quartz countertops were put in a few years ago, so that's great for cutting board. And here in the bathroom, there's a wonderful skylight. So you see all that natural light coming in? So if I turn off, there's the new LED fixture. If I turn that off, of course, that's all natural light with the tubular solar skylight coming down. So that's terrific. In fact, here in the bathroom, I see that as well. Here's the solar skylight, and I'll turn that light off. So indeed, if we didn't have the solar skylight, it would be very dark in here. So that's kind of cool to have that. And there's even the vanity lights. We have a whole box of lights you can choose from, and I just pick those light bulbs. Okay, so we have that. And let's take a look at a couple of the bedrooms. Here's the first one, the smaller of the two. So there are 2 bedrooms, as we say. Oh, another piece of furniture. How about that? And they, throughout the apartment, you see these little knick-knack shelves. These are kind of cool because you can put stuff on top of them, if you like. We call them knick-knack shelves, and they're designed to be able to put curtains up. And so you just go directly into the stud. You always have a stud there, so it's no problem. And I'm reminded we also, with our environmentally friendly theme, offer a complimentary drying rack. So we have that for you. And let's see, the larger bedroom. Oh, very good. This one has a fan, which is nice. And out here, with both rooms, I would say there's now they're getting toward the end of the season, but there are red raspberries all the way along the length of the building. So I'll do another video of a landscape tour of the property. So, but it's wonderful. At least we get a little bit of green from the room. Okay, so that's the master bedroom. Let's go out. And yes, we came full circle. So I hope you like what you saw, and if you do, you'll give me a call. My name is John. It's John Roos with Truaire Apartments here in Lakewood, Washington. I'm at 253-588-0470. That's my cell, 253-588-0470. And let me mention the price. The apartment would rent for $1,250 plus $50 electric. The electric is based on the previous year's average. So it's $50 per month. 1,250 plus 50 equals 1,300, covers all utilities. Okay, so please do give me a call. I'm John. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.